Welcome guys, and today I'll show you how to create a copy of Windows 10 and then create an installation drive from that copy of Windows. First, we will need two tools for this operation. We will need the Windows 10 media creation tool, and we will also need the Rufus utility tool that will help us format and create a bootable USB drive. So let's open up the internet browser and go to the Microsoft website. The link is provided in the description below. Let's scroll down and find the download tool now. Click on it and download the tool. Allow the download to complete. This downloading time will depend on your internet speed, but this should take less than 5 minutes because the file is only 18 megabytes. Now let's download the Rufus tools as well. The link is also provided in the description section below. This tool is only 1 megabyte and shouldn't take long at all. Now close your internet browser and head back to where you had put your downloads. Mine are on desktop. Open the media creation tool and wait for it to load. Accept applicable notice and license terms. Scroll through it and click on accept. Wait for it to load. This might take a few minutes depending on how fast your computer is. Now select create installation media for another computer and leave the upgrade this PC now option, as we need to create an ISO file. Now let's select the language, architecture and edition. Language, select your language. Edition will be the Windows 10. Architecture, we will select the 64-bit one. I wouldn't recommend use the recommended option from this PC, as settings of your current PC might not be the same as the PC that you want to install. Click on next, select ISO file and click on next. Select the location where you want the file to be written and click on save. Allow the application to create your Windows 10 ISO file. This process took about 2 hours to complete. Now that the image file is created, let's create the USB drive. Plug in any USB drive that has more than 4 GB of space, but 8 GB is recommended. Open Rufus. Under device, select the USB drive that you just plugged in into your PC. Under boot selection, select the image that you created with media creation tools. Rufus will auto-populate all the other settings, and I will recommend leaving them as default. Now click on Start. This warning will tell you that all the data on the drive will be erased and lost. Click on OK and let the process start. Rufus will delete and recreate all partition on a USB drive, then it will write all the needed Windows files. This process will take approximately 8 minutes to complete. Wait for the process to successfully complete, then close Rufus. Now, safely remove your USB from the computer and plug it into the new computer that you want to install. We need to change the configuration of your PC BIOS. You can enter your BIOS settings by pressing either delete button, F12, F10 or F2 depending on the brand of the PC that you are using. Press the power button and enter BIOS. Navigate to boot sequence or startup and select boot. Move up your USB drive to be the first boot device in the boot priority order by using the plus or minus key, or F5 and F6 keys depending on your motherboard. Press F10 to save all your configuration changes and restart your PC. The machine should now boot from the USB drive. You could also use the shortcut menu F10 to boot directly from the drive without changing your BIOS configuration. Now that you are booting from the USB drive, let's install Windows 10. Allow Windows 10 to load. Now accept Microsoft Software License of Terms and click on Next. Since we are doing a clean installation, we will select the custom installation. Now it's time to delete all old partition and format the hard drive. Let's create a new partition and click on Apply, then click OK. Windows will create all the needed partitions from the unallocated space and format them for the installation. Now click on Next. Allow Windows to copy all the files and give it time to install. Your computer will restart several times. Make sure that you have removed the USB drive from the USB port once your computer restarts for the first time. Now follow the on-screen instruction to finalize your installation. Congratulations, you have just installed Windows 10 from a USB drive. If you have learned something, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up in support to our channel. Thank you guys and see you next time.